Jordan brand continues to expand its legacy by bringing iconic basketball style into the world of golf. Over the last 15 years, the brand has transformed several classic Air Jordan silhouettes into golf-ready footwear, combining on-course performance with timeless design. This movement reflects Michael Jordan's lifelong passion for golf and shows how the Jumpman influence goes far beyond the basketball court. For its latest edition, Jordan brand spotlights the Jordan Spizike Low, a model closely linked to Spike Lee and early 2000s culture. The familiar hybrid design is now reimagined as a spikeless golf shoe built for comfort, flexibility, and everyday play. It arrives in a clean white, pure platinum, and Obsidian colorway, keeping its basketball-inspired details intact. A redesigned golf-specific outsole provides stability and traction throughout a full round. The Jordan Spizike Low Golf is expected to release through official Jordan brand channels by April 2026.